M0FXB Andreas UK.
M0FXB. So you've got a code plug already, but you want to add a local repeater. You're not too great at code plugs, but you need to do this because the repeater is very close. So first thing to do is go into your code plug. If you can download from all sorts of places. Open the file that you've got. Let's just put any of these in. Put that one there. So that's the code plug you've already got. So you want to add an FM repeater. Have a look here. Go to channels. Go to the bottom of the channel list. Find a blank space. Double click channel. Let's just say we're going to create a FM local repeater. So we go 145.600. We're going to do GB3WR. So we go GB3WR. We've given it a name, and then the input on that is 145.000. Okay, that's your repeater. Now we've got to say that it's analog. Okay, that gets rid of all this digital stuff. We don't need that. Then it's just choosing the tone. So make sure you always choose encode. So there you go, CT/CSS, and then you can choose the frequency of the CT/CSS, which is 94.8. You could add it to a scan list, but I'm not going to bother now. You get the idea. You've now just quickly created it. So you click OK. Alright, because there's already a channel with that name on, I've got to slightly change the name. So let's just call it, we'll call it WZ. Okay. Click OK. So you've created the channel, but now you've got to put it in the zone so you can find it. So go back up to the top, click zone, find FM repeaters, or you could actually create a new zone easily. Just do this, just double click underneath all the zones. This window opens. Call it FM repeater. Let's call it with Z. Click OK. So you've got a new zone. Hang on, I haven't added it. You have to add something to it. So add the channel you've created to it. GB3WZ. Let's give it a name. GB3WZ. Right, there's that. And then we go down, and to add things, channels that you've created into your zone window, you hit this right hand arrow here, or you can remove things. Yeah, but anyway, we're going to add it. So we're going to go to it. We created GB3WZ. We're going to add it into our zone. Now click OK. Right, so we've created the channel, we've added it into our zone. We already had the code plug. Now we just got to write it to the radio. So one thing you could do is also save it by clicking this. That will save it into the code plug you've already got. Then write to radio in the normal way, okay? And you have just added a new analog FM repeater into your radio. M0FXB. Hope this helps.